Completely renovated Colonial is a must-see. New electrical, heat, plumbing, roof. Kitchen is stunning. Open floor plan with 7.5 foot granite island seats 4 comfortably. Black and gray granite countertops with white shaker cabinets, beautiful. Plenty of counter space and cabinetry to hold all your appliances and food items. Convenient mudroom inside entry. Hardwood floors in kitchen, dining area and family room. Side-to-side family room. Recessed lighting throughout home. Great closet space in the bedrooms and tons of natural light. The home is heated by a new Navien wall-mounted boiler that boasts 95% efficiency. New water heaters. 0.31 acres of land provide a fabulous yard to enjoy. No showings until the